Hi. So you need to improve your skills in information and communication technology, ICT. In order to propose you a tailor-made training program, I need to know your level of competence in ICT. Based on your prior knowledge, a tutor can suggest an efficient, suitable training program for you. Let's go to our website. Before starting the training on this website, you should also identify your level of competence. I will quickly show you how you can assess your ICT skill profile. On the first page, welcome to ICT Skills, you find here an Excel file. By clicking here and following the instructions, you can download this Excel file to your computer. On the first page, you find instructions. You should read them carefully. And then you go to page 1. Here is the first question. On the left side of each question, you have a situation, the description of a situation. Here, you read, for instance, a computer magazine and you find a lot of terms. And we will want to know whether you're familiar with these terms. Could you explain it to a friend? Laptop, yes, of course. You can either choose this cross or you just can type on your keyboard. The server, yes, it's no problem. But it should be a small. It should be a small cross, yes. File system is okay, software is okay, operating system, I'm not quite sure what that means. So I go to the next question. Here, after starting the computer, I can do the following task. I can start an application such as the internet browser, yes, sure. I can open a file system and open a file. I can adjust the settings for the wallpaper, I don't know. You can use a flash drive, yes, sure. So you fill in all these options. You go to the next question and you will go from basic concepts of computers on a general user level to an advanced user level, and you go on to the Windows operating system. Here, all in all, it will be 32 internet and mail, 32 questions. Then you have the Office applications such as Word, later the spreadsheet. You're talking about data processing, also done with Excel, and then presentation. Once you finish the 32, you will end up seeing your profile. You have, for the basic concepts of computers on a general user level, you have about 70% on an advanced user level as well. In Windows operating system, you're quite proficient on a general user level. You can go down here further. You know quite a lot about internet and email, even more so. You're quite familiar with Word. But with spreadsheet, it's a different story. So you can easily evaluate your profile. Now let's have a look at 3 students who did this evaluation. And you can see this student, I mean, she's brilliant. She has a very high level of competence. Well, in spreadsheet and here on the advanced user level of data processing, there are some gaps. So it would be very easy to recommend this student to work on these topics. If we have a look at the next student, you see he has more gaps, especially here in word processing on advanced user level. It would be depending on what she or she wants to achieve. I would be easy to recommend where to study. And the third student, I mean, he is a beginner, so to say, and we would have to discuss where to put the focus in their training. So just think about having these 3 students in one class and you are the tutor. I mean, it's impossible to address all the different levels at once. That's the advantage of this approach. So let's go back to our website. We have here a section, study topic by topic. And here you find all these different sections. If, for instance, somebody found out that he needs some more training in spreadsheet, for instance, in the advanced user level, he would go there. And then you have a lot of links to learning resources, and it would take them about 2 hours to work here to go through this. Once the study is over, you go to the practice and test section. There you find self-tests on general user level and on advanced level. You can do some exercises, you can do some practice on general user level or an advanced user level. And I mean, if you are working together with a tutor, he or she would probably ask you to send her the tutor marked assignments. Here, for instance, on the general user level, read these instructions carefully. You get here an example of what to achieve, and you send it, and you will most probably get feedback from your tutor. So I hope this short introduction will help you to start and to work really very efficiently on this course. Thank you for your attention.